Hey there, just wanted to share with you the next tool that I have in my toolbox that I had shared with you, a little bit more in depth and in detail, and that is the Hospice Care Plan, A Path to Comfort. This book is written by Brenda and Nancy. They're experienced hospice nurses, and it's a really, really awesome book. I love this book too because there are QR codes in the book, on the book, and even in the back that goes into sections where if they have questions about medication management, they can go right there to medication management, scan it with their phone, and I even show them if they don't know how to do that. The other thing that I enjoy as well is, for example, the booklet also has, let's say where they're worried about bowel movements, right? Or bladder needs. So I can take them right there to the part in the book about that. There's a QR code that will take them to videos. And there's even a great spot that we can also write down questions if they're non-emergent to bring to the hospice nurse's attention when they do come. Of course, if it's something urgent, you always want to report that right away. But this works really well. I tell the families, use it as their guide. Use it however it feels supportive to them. Highlighting it, put sticky notes, bookmark the pages. It's theirs to personalize. And when I'm doing visits with the family or I'm there inside the home with them, I see something or know something that's coming, I reference the video links and the booklet as well so that we can guide that care with confidence. The other thing that I also do is I use it when I'm setting up and working through my care plan. Remember I was telling you about the Doula care plan. I will use and point out things that I know that I'm going to need to show them, so that way when over those coming weeks, those are things that we'll be going over. This has a great impact in it, and it really, really reduces caregiver stress. Families often feel more centered and more empowered because they're getting more knowledge, and it's also at a time where they can sit down and process a little bit slower because things are sometimes moving very quickly, or they just feel overwhelmed. This allows them to take their time and really get to understand what's going on. I really want my families to feel empowered with this ongoing care and making sure that everything continues smoothly, even when I'm not physically there. So thanks to the booklets and the videos, they can revisit those anytime. You can also visit them at www.thehospicecareplan.com, and just wanted to share a little bit more in depth about this great resource that I had shared the other day when I announced about all my different resources that I keep in my Doula tool bag or my Doula bag, but give you a little bit more in depth about this book. You can again go visit the Hospice Care Plan and check it out. Have a great one, and I will see you soon to share my next tool.